Hello dear viewers, welcome to yet another informative video of Let's Learn YouTube channel.
In this video, we are discussing Social Studies questions of USS 2018.
So let us move to the questions.
First question, name the daily started by Annie Besant in order to empower the social reforms movement in India. Option A, Commonwealth. Option B, Sambat Kaumudi. Option C, Udbodhanam. Option D, Gulamgiri. Correct answer, option A, Commonwealth.
Second question, type of soil seen in the coastal area of India. Option A, laterite soil, alluvial soil. Option B, mountain soil, black soil. Option C, mountain soil, alluvial soil. Option D, red soil, alluvial soil. Correct answer, option A, laterite soil, alluvial soil.
Third question, name the geographical region where the road, rail and water transportation concentrate in India. Option A, Northern Plain. Option B, Coastal Plain. Option C, Peninsular Plateau. Option D, Northern Mountain Region. Correct answer, option A, Northern Plain.
Fourth question, the foreign power who established trade center in Surat. Option A, the Portuguese. Option B, the English. Option C, the French. Option D, the Dutch. Correct answer, option D, option B, the English.
Fifth question, identify the wrong pair. Option A, Boccaccio, the Decameron. Option B, Michelangelo, the Last Supper. Option C, Copernicus, telescope. Option D, John Kay, flying shuttle. Correct answer, option C, Copernicus, telescope.
Sixth question, the recent cyclone that seriously affected in the coastal area of Kerala. Option A, Oki. Option B, Katrina. Option C, Gonu. Option D, Hudhud. Correct answer, option A, Oki.
Seventh question, organization formed under the leadership of Bhagat Singh. Option A, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Option B, Ghadar Party. Option C, International Army. Option D, Congress Socialist Party. Correct answer, option A, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association.
Eighth question, which among the following country with an unwritten constitution? Option A, Australia. Option B, Brazil. Option C, Britain. Option D, India. Correct answer, option C, Britain.
Ninth question, which of the following option is the correct chronological order of the arrival of European power? Option A, the Portuguese, the English, the Dutch, the French. Option B, the Dutch, the Portuguese, the French, the English. Option C, the English, the French, the Dutch, the Portuguese. Option D, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the English, the French. Correct answer, option D, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the English, the French.
Tenth question, read the statement given below. First, evergreen forest is seen in the western Ghats and northeastern states. Second, deciduous forest is seen in the peninsular region of India. Which among the following is correct? Option A, statement 1 alone is true. Option B, statement 2 alone is true. Option C, statement 1 and 2 are true. Option D, statement 1 and 2 are wrong. Correct answer, option C, statement 1 and 2 are true.
11th question, famous sportsman who was nominated as the member of Rajya Sabha. Option A, Sachin Tendulkar. Option B, P.T. Usha. Option C, Suresh Gopi. Option D, Virat Kohli. Correct answer, option A, Sachin Tendulkar.
12th question, name of the reality show that telecast through Doordarshan to popularize the innovative programs of schools in Kerala. Option A, Haritha Keralam. Option B, Podu Vidyalaya Samrakshana Yatnam. Option C, Venal Pacha. Option D, Haritha Vidyalayam. Correct answer, option D, Haritha Vidyalayam.
13th question, arrange the historical incidents in chronological order. 1. Wagon tragedy. 2. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. 3. Vaikam Satyagraha. 4. Chauri Chaura incident. Option A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B, 2, 4, 1, 3. Option C, 2, 1, 3, 4. Option D, 2, 1, 4, 3. Correct answer, option D, 2, 1, 4, 3.
14th question, identify the statement which is true in the case of peninsular rivers. Option A, wide catchment area. Option B, rich water supply throughout the year. Option C, suitable for inland water navigation. Option D, source of water is only rainfall. Correct answer, option D, source of water is only rainfall.
15th question. Identify the wrong connected pair. Option A, Vaikunta Swamigal, Samatva Samajam. Option B, Ayangali, Sadhujana Paribalana Sangam. Option C, Bakkam Abdul Qadir Maulavi, Muslim Aikya Sabha. Option D, Kumara Gurudevan, Atma Vidya Sangam. Correct answer, option D, Kumara Gurudevan, Atma Vidya Sangam.
16th question. Which among the following is not included in fundamental right of the Indian Constitution? Option A, right to property. Option B, right to equality. Option C, right to religion. Option D, right against the exploitation. Correct answer, option A, right to property.
17th question. The concession given to the people below the poverty line under Antyodaya Anna Yojana program. Option A, free supply of 10 kg of rice per month. Option B, subsidy for bank loans. Option C, supply of 35 kg of rice at the rate of rupees 3. Option D, guarantees 100 days of employment. Correct answer, option C, supply of 35 kg of rice at the rate of rupees 3.
18th question. The ice crystal that fall on the earth's surface by the process of condensation of water droplets in the atmosphere. Option A, snow. Option B, rain. Option C, precipitation. Option D, hail. Correct answer, option D, hail.
19th question. Identify the correct statement in connection with the Vaikam Satyagraha. Option A, opened the temple for all Hindus. Option B, lower caste people were allowed to travel road approaching the temples. Option C, temple were open to all sections of people for worship. Option D, permission were given to organize Savarna Jada. Correct answer, option B, lower caste people were allowed to travel road approaching the temple.
20th question. Type of soil suitable for cotton cultivation. Option A, black soil. Option B, red soil. Option C, mountain soil. Option D, alluvial soil. Correct answer, option A, black soil.
These were the questions of social studies from the USS 2018 question paper.
So here we wind up our video.
We shall be back with another useful video.
Thank you.